Let us learn about internal structure of heart in detail. As you know, human heart is made up of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are known as atria and the lower 2 chambers are known as ventricle. The upper 2 chambers are thin walled chambers and are receiving chambers. Both the chambers are going to receive blood from different part of the body, and they are separated by means of septum, that is called as interauricular septum. ठीक है, तो 2 सेप्टम के बीच में एक पर्दा है जिसे हम कहते हैं interauricular septum. That septum shows a presence of some depression, a kind of depression known as fossa ovalis. ठीक है, तो एक सेप्टम होता है, उसमें एक डिप्रेशन होता है जो कि एक अपर्चर है जो बाद में बंद हो चुका है. Now, the lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles and they are again separated by means of interventricular septum. तो यहाँ पे आपको दिखता है दोनों वेंट्रिकल के बीच में एक सेप्टम, दैट इज इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर सेप्टम. ठीक है, this side of the heart is called as right and this side is called as considered as left side. Fine. So the right atrium is going to open into right ventricle and the left atrium is going to open into left ventricle. The first chamber, that is called right atrium, is going to receive blood through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava bring all the deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body, head, hands, shoulder, etc. And the inferior vena cava receive deoxygenated blood from rest of the body, trunk and legs. Here you can see the opening of inferior vena cava, which is guarded by a kind of valve that is called as Eustachian valve. And the opening of superior vena cava has no valve because the blood is going to flow in the direction of force of gravity. ठीक है, तो इसलिए इसमें कोई वॉल्व नहीं है क्योंकि ब्लड ऊपर नहीं जाने वाला है, नीचे आने वाला है. फाइन. Here you can see a small dot. This is going to be the opening of coronary sinus. ठीक है. Now the heart muscle itself, as you can see, a thick muscles are present and are known as cardiac muscles. So the blood supply to the heart muscles is provided with the coronary artery and the deoxygenated blood from the heart muscles is received through coronary veins or also called as coronary sinus. So that deoxygenated blood from coronary sinus is going to open in the same chamber through this small opening over here. Fine. This is going to be the first chamber, that is right atrium, which is the first receiving chamber, receive deoxygenated blood. On the other hand, the left atrium has 4 openings, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 openings are from the left pulmonary veins, and these 2 openings are from right pulmonary veins, right veins. So there will be 4 openings and all are going to receive the oxygenated blood from lungs. Now the opening between the right atrium and right ventricle is called as or is provided with atrioventricular aperture, which is guarded with tricuspid valve. Okay, so both the apertures, so this aperture is called as atrioventricular, this is going to be the right atrioventricular aperture, this is going to be the left atrioventricular aperture, and both are guarded by cuspid valve, a kind of flaps are there. So in this case, right side is guarded with 3 cusp valves known as tricuspid valve and the left side is guarded with bicuspid valve which is also known as mitral valve. ठीक है, तो आपको ध्यान देना है कि bicuspid valve जो है उसे mitral कहा जाता है और tricuspid को tricuspid ही कहते हैं. Fine. Now here you can see the ventricles. Ventricles are thick walled distributing chambers. As you can see, the walls show internally the lumen of ventricle show some irregular projections or irregular muscular structures known as columni carini. ठीक है, ये जो दिख रहा है ये क्या है, इसे कहते हैं columni carini, which is the infolding of muscles inside the lumen of ventricles. And also there is a presence of kind of fibers which are connected to the flaps of bicuspid valves, and on the other hand they are connected with the मसल्स नोन एज पैपिलरी मसल्स. ठीक है, तो कॉर्डिक टेंडन जो है यहाँ पे पैपिलरी मसल्स को कनेक्ट होते हैं और वो धागे दूसरी तरफ यहाँ पे बाइकस्पिड वॉल्व की जो फ्लैप है उसको कनेक्ट होते हैं and the opening of bicuspid and tricuspid valves is regulated by means of these 2 structures, chordae tendineae and पैपिलरी मसल्स। ठीक है, आया समझ में आपको? तो ये वॉल्व क्या करते हैं? दिस वॉल्व आर गोइंग टू मेंटेन द यूनिडायरेक्शनल फ्लो ऑफ ब्लड। तो द ब्लड फ्रॉम द राइट एट्रियम टू लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल can pass easily through the tricuspid valve, and simultaneously the blood from the left atrium to left ventricle is also comes through the bicuspid valve, but at the time of contraction of ventricles the same blood cannot go back to the auricles। ठीक है, क्योंकि ये जो valve है ये flap से वो बंद हो जाते हैं, opening and closing, so they are unidirectional। Now what happens as the pressure in the ventricles rises due to the contraction, the same blood has to go somewhere else, so there will be two channels. In case of right ventricle, after the contraction that we call systole, the deoxygenated blood from right ventricle passes into the pulmonary trunk. This is going to the pulmonary trunk, which is further divided into the right pulmonary artery and left pulmonary arteries, which are leading blood, deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation purification. And here you can see this pulmonary trunk is guarded by semilunar valve. As their flaps look like half moon shape, they are known as semilunar valve। ठीक है, so यहाँ पे एक आपको मिलता है, this is called as pulmonary semilunar valve, and another semilunar valve is present in the left ventricle, opening at the opening of right ventricle to aorta। तो यहाँ पे aorta की ओपनिंग दिखती है, यहाँ पे दूसरा आपको सेमिलुनर वॉल्व दिखता है जिसे हम कहेंगे एवोर्टिक सेमिलुनर वॉल्व। ठीक है, द ब्लड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल goes into the aorta, and then from aorta it is distributed to the different part of the body, and these are the branches known as carotid arteries leading blood to the head and shoulder। तो ये पूरा जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये हाईली मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर है। यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि अपर दो चेंबर जो है वो थिन वॉल्ड है, एज द प्रेशर, ब्लड प्रेशर इन दिस चेंबर्स इज कंपैरेटिवली लो, दे जस्ट नीड टू पंप द ब्लड इन टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव वेंट्रिकल्स, इसलिए वो थिन वॉल्ड होते हैं, वहां पे ब्लड का प्रेशर ज्यादा नहीं होता। ऑन द अदर हैंड द वेंट्रिकल हैज टू पंप ब्लड टू द होल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, पर्टिकुलरली द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल। द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल शो थिकेस्ट वॉल्स। ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है डायग्राम में भी, इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन भी आता है, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल शो प्रेजेंस ऑफ थिकेस्ट वॉल्स एज बिकॉज इट हैज टू पंप ब्लड थ्रू एवोर्टा टू डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, एंड देन सेम ब्लड कम्स बैक थ्रू दिस वेनस सिस्टम और इंफीरियर वेना केवा। ठीक है, इसलिए इसमें प्रेशर ज्यादा होता है। फाइन, अब ये जो रेगुलेशन होता है कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन का, वो होता है कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइप के मसल से, वी कॉल देम काइंड ऑफ कंडक्टिंग सिस्टम ऑफ हार्ट। इसमें कुछ स्पेसिफिक मसल्स होते हैं जो हम अगले इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में, कि जिसकी वजह से हार्ट जो है अपना खुद का जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है वहां पे वो जनरेट करता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द हार्ट इज नोन एज मायोजेनिक इन ओरिजिन। मतलब हार्ट को बाहर से कोई कंट्रोल नहीं चाहिए, हार्ट कैन पंप इटसेल्फ, वो अपने लिए खुद वो जनरेट करता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एंड द सेम करंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड to the both auricles and then to the ventricles, and there will be contraction and relaxation of the chambers going on continuously, alternatively after one another. So this is how the internal structure of the heart look like.